Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel on your phone. First of all, just open up the YouTube application, then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap on this switch account, and as you can see this plus button, just tap on this plus button here. And now you have to attach your Gmail account. If you have a Gmail, you can sign in here. Otherwise, in the bottom section, you can see create account. Just tap on this create account, and I can choose for my personal use, for work or my business. I'm going for my personal use. Now you have to enter your first and last name. Tap on this next. Now you have to enter your birth date and gender, then tap on next. Now you can create your own email address, or if you want, just choose one that they have pre-selected, which Hurera Wahid, and you can see these emails. Just select anyone, tap on next. Then you want to create a password. Review your account info, click next, agree the terms and conditions, and now your channel is officially created. You can then click on your profile picture and click on this your channel, and on here you can actually add your name, your profile picture to create a channel. Once that all set up, you can click on this create channel. Just give it a minute or so for it to actually create the channel, and then you click on your profile picture, go to your channel, and then from here create a video, or you can click this pencil icon for further changes on your profile picture, channel banner like this. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.